Hello friends, today we will discuss on blank chart prediction. Today we will discuss how we can improve our blank chart prediction skills. Okay, for blank chart prediction, the foremost thing is required is you need to blend the sign energy with the house energy. We must understand the sign as well as the houses. For an example, if for a Libra ascendant, you see that in their 12th house the Virgo sign is there. 12th house represents losses, and Virgo sign is the natural 6th house, which shows diseases, court cases, litigations, enemies. Okay. And you can correlate with these two things and say that you can make expenses regarding on these things. Like you may have court cases, because of that you may have expenses. Due to diseases, litigations, you may have expenses. Another thing is that Virgo sign is the natural 6th house, represents your enemies. Okay, when it comes to the 12th house, represent foreign places. So you may have enemy from foreign places. So here I am just blending the sign energy with the house energy. I am blending the sign energy and house energy. When we are blending these two, it gives you a certain kind of indications. So each sign has a kind of energy. Like Aries is the first house of Kala Purusha. It represents your head. If for Aries ascendant, Aries is a fiery sign. This represents that these Aries people are very what we can say energetic people. These people are what we can say ready to go peoples. So this energy, when it comes for Libra ascendant, it is coming to the 7th house. 7th house is all about relationship, partnership. So these people really feel energetic when it comes things related to partnership, relationship. So here I am again blending the sign energy with the house energy to make a prediction. So you need to understand each and every sign. Like Aries is the first house of natural zodiac. Taurus is represent resources, 2nd house. For a Cancer ascendant people, you look for Cancer ascendant people, Taurus is in their 11th house. So we can say that for Cancer ascendant, 11th house represents friends, friend circles. So we can say that these people look for Cancer ascendant, the Lagna Lord is Moon and it is getting exalted in the sign of Taurus. So we can say that these people really feel happy when they are in their home, and we can say there is a friendly environment in their home. They really like to spend times with family. For Cancer ascendant people, again you see in 3rd house they are having Virgo sign. So these Cancer ascendant people really like to fight in the through writings. It is like that they will send you court notices. Because in their 3rd house, the sign which is there is the Virgo sign, natural 6th house. 3rd house represents your writing skills. So these people may used to do fighting through mails. They use their writing skill to really fight with people. For Cancer ascendant, you look in the 7th house, Capricorn is there. Capricorn is all about structure, organized, discipline. So we can say that these people are very organized when it comes things related to partnership, relationship. For Cancer ascendant, again the sixth house is in sixth house the sign Sagittarius is there. Sagittarius is the natural zodiac, ninth house of the natural zodiac, which represents higher knowledge. Then we can say that these Cancer ascendant people have a higher knowledge how to deal with their enemies, how they can able to how to deal with the enemies, litigation, court cases. These people are really have the knowledge. Look, for Cancer ascendant people, for an example about the ninth house, the Pisces sign is there. So when it comes about their religion, belief system, they always very optimistic. Like what will have what is there that will going to happen. That kind of thinking when it comes to their ninth house related activity. Because in ninth house, Pisces sign is there. Pisces sign is the 12th house of natural zodiac. Okay, and we can say that for Cancer ascendant, as the in 10th house Aries sign is there, we can say that these people's workplace is very active and energetic. Okay, and one interesting thing is that, look, for Cancer ascendant, the 8th house is Aquarius, which is the natural zodiac 11th house. So we can say that these people may have a friend circle related to occult knowledge, because 8th house represents occult and Aquarius sign is there, which is the generally shows the for Kala Purusha it is the 11th house, shows friend circle. So they may have hidden friends, or friends they may have a group of friends which who knows occult knowledge. For Cancer ascendant, again the 5th house is having the Scorpio sign. Scorpio sign has the energy of 8th house. So these people try to hide things related to their kids. This is the way you need to blend those energies to really make a prediction. For Capricorn ascendant, again you see that in their 11th house Scorpio sign is there. So again for Capricorn ascendant we can say that these people may have a friend circle with occult knowledge, because 8th house is the occult place. Or we can say that for Capricorn ascendant, these people may like to have friends secretly. For Capricorn ascendant, as Libra is in their 10th house, they really try to balance at their workplace, like to keep a balanced approach in their workplace. For Capricorn ascendant, again you see in their 9th house Virgo sign is there. Virgo sign represents litigation, court cases, debts, diseases, enemies. So these people may have enemies because of the religion, because of their belief system. 9th house shows the belief system, or may be get into problems because of those things. We can say that for for Capricorn ascendant, as Aries in their 4th house, their family environment may be quite active. But remember one thing, if Lagna Lord is getting debilitated in certain houses, so the people really does not like to enjoy that thing. For an example, for Cancer ascendant, the Lagna Lord is getting debilitated in the 4th house. So these people may not like to spend more times in family in home, especially in home, because at that place Lagna Lord is getting debilitated. And for Capricorn ascendant, you see that it is the Lagna Lord is getting exalted in the sign of Libra, which is their 10th house. So these people really like to spend more time doing works. These people really feel happy when they are engaged, because the Lagna is Capricorn, which is the natural 10th house, and their Lagna Lord is also getting exalted in the 10th house. So we can say that for Capricorn ascendant, these are workaholic people. They really like to do work and work and work. If they are not engaged, they really feel frustrated. So this is the basic level. By knowing the Lagna, you can able to make prediction so many things. For Pisces ascendant, look, in their 9th house, you are having Scorpio. Scorpio is the natural zodiac 8th house, hidden energy, occult knowledge. So these people, for Pisces ascendant, these people really have the hidden knowledge about the religion. For Pisces ascendant, again 10th house is the Sagittarius sign, which is the natural 9th house. So these people really like to work for the religion, regarding dharma, towards their guru, teaching. These all things can be their profession. For Pisces ascendant, look, the 7th house is having the sign Virgo, which is the natural zodiac 6th house, shows the debts, diseases, enemies, court cases. So these people may get into problem because of those things. And the Lagna Lord is getting exalted in the sign of Cancer. For Pisces ascendant, Jupiter is getting exalted in the sign of Cancer. So these people feel really happy when they are with their kids, with their children, or even students. Okay, and again, you need to understand all this thing about the signs, about the houses. Without any planet, you can able to make so many predictions, because in a chart we can see that the planets are there in 4 to 5 houses. Beside that, all houses are empty. So we need to understand how to use the empty houses in our predictions. So friends, this is the way you can use the house energy and sign energy to make beautiful predictions. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.